Hi everyone, I'm Dre Arias, your Mr. Gear World Philippines, Bulacan Province.
First of all, thank you for being here. Thank you for making time, everybody. Wow, it is so hard. It is so hard looking over my shoulders for the past years. You know, thinking what anybody's thinking about me, and having a hard time being my true self. You know, in a male-dominated. Wow. You know, last year I have realized that in a male-dominated pageantry scene, I have excelled, and I have like my solid supporters loving me until now. And I guess the biggest risk is my career. Po, hindi mahirap na, sobrang hirap po pala, sobrang hirap na ibigay yung buong pagkatao sa platform na to. But at the same time, alam ko po na dahil naging totoo ako, mas ma-attract po yung mga projects and yung mga bagay na para sa akin. At the end of the day po, kapag tumanda tayo, did you live your life happily? And right now, I'm starting to live my life po.
I congratulate you.